Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be talking about every content creator's biggest fears. AI copying their work. Now, if you don't know, AI is copying people's work, stealing content and making some people even quit content creating because of AI making videos, art, and etc. But before I go into detail about that, let me explain a few things. Act 1: Plagiarism versus ownership. Plagiarism is when you use someone's work without giving them credit. A big example of this is AI. More examples of this is those YouTube short green screen kids that always hides in a corner of famous YouTubers' videos. And they sometimes get millions of views. But going back to AI tends to do this a lot. A prime example of this is the case of Sarah Silverman and OpenAI. Silverman says that OpenAI has been searching up her own jokes and simplifying them to whatever the person's prompt told them to be, then giving other people new jokes just like hers. Now, this actually ties into our next act, which is Act 2: How AI content is made. AI content is made by someone putting their ideas inside of an AI video maker and uploading it to social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, etc. Now, you may argue, but Martrell, they're making their own ideas, so isn't that technically ownership? Wrong. The reason I say this is because they're using AI's work. They're not technically using their own work. They did think of the idea, yes, but are they really making the video themselves or using AI? Well, it's yeah. No, they're just copying off of AI. But this leads to my final act, which is final act: how we can stop AI content. In my opinion, there are two ways you can stop AI content. Number one, think of your own ideas and make it. What I mean by this is simple: do your own work and do your own ideas. Get creative with what you have. Think of things yourself. Number two, stop AI companies from making art and videos and etc. Now, people in charge of social media apps like YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and etc. should stand up to AI apps like OpenAI, Sora AI, and ChatGPT about AI videos and art generators and tell them to shut it down. That is my video about AI content. And one more thing, people: be creative. Much love and goodbye.